how to download Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this search icon. Simply tap on this search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Duolingo. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name, Duolingo. Now simply tap on install. So what is this application? So many of you guys have seen these ads in YouTube also. So this is a language changing app. Here you'll be able to learn different languages, and here there are different games with which you can learn a new language easily. So it will take some time and you'll be ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.